How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about the brand new Lokithor JT400. Now, I've tested many of their jump starters before, but this one is a little bit different. We also have some other ones here that we're going to do a size comparison in just a second here. But again, the Lokithor JT400. And what's different about this one, it actually does a battery test, cranking test, and charging test. And it does all this via an app in your phone. So this is the BackGuard app. So you can either search for it on Google Play or the Apple Store, or you could do a QR scan here and you'll be able to download that app. So this unit does go for $80. I'll have the direct link in the description section down below for it. And as always, make sure you check for applicable coupons in the Amazon store when you are looking for these. You know, there's always promos and stuff like that. So once again, we have the BackGuard app applicable to this battery test, cranking test, charging test, and does all the other neat stuff the other ones do. So obviously it jump starts your car, and you know, you could have some strobe lights and stuff like that, SOS lights, just a flashlight, charge your cell phone and other devices. So very cool. We're gonna go ahead and unbox it real quick and just do a size comparison. Then we're gonna go through the app real quick. All right, so inside the box we have this pouch, this bag here that you can store everything in. We have the jump pack, obviously, and then we have the charging cable. Does not come with a block, but if you're anything like me, you have plenty of blocks at home, and the jump cables connect to your battery and stuff like that. So here is the unit here. So this is where you would attach the cables to, and then we have here USB-C in and out, and then USB-A out. So old school, new school, whatever works for you, whatever is good for your needs. Here we have, so this is the slightly bigger unit. This is the J1350 Pro. So a little bit bigger here than the other one here. So pretty close in size, but this one is very, very compact, which is nice. And here we also have this one here from Lokithor as well. Now, this one does a compressor and things of that nature, a little bit bigger, has a handle. So just again, doing this for a small size comparison here. So now we're gonna go ahead and put this thing to work, and we're just gonna go ahead and see some of the features that it has. And this is gonna be done with your cell phone, obviously, to jumpstart the car. Normally you just turn it on here, connect your cable here, hook it up to your battery, wait for the countdown, has a 10-second countdown, and then you would start your battery that way, your car, and go from there. But today we're gonna focus on using the app. So we're gonna go ahead and do that right now. All right, so now we have the unit connected here. Now we're going to go to our app here, and it's going to look for the unit. Let's go ahead and reconnect here. So I already had connected previously, and here we see everything that we could do and check with it. So all right, everything is connected here, voltage of the unit, things of that nature, battery test, cranking test, charging test, and real-time voltage. So let's just go ahead and do a battery test. So here you could pick whatever you wanted here and go through that and do the test here. So let's just say it's a gel battery here, cold cranking amps. Let's just put 500. Next, testing the battery. Let's go ahead and see what we get here. So say to charge 100%. Everything is looking good here at this point. We can save this, allow. All right, now we could go back here. Now we're gonna go ahead and do a cranking test. All right, we're gonna start the vehicle. Confirm. So initial voltage is 13.3 and it dropped to 10. So it's a little low, but we're doing that just to do it. All right, back up. All right, so for the charging test, you have to do a 30-second counter. Then once the car is running, you do another 30-second counter, holding the RPMs at 3 grand. I'm not going to do that live now just because of the circumstances here, and then you'll get your results. And then you could also do your real-time voltage here. So has a graph. So we see 13.7 volts, which is great. So we're back out of that. And then You can hit 12-volt auto start, or you can force start it in case of a dead battery. So great stuff here. And again, you're here, so then you have the internal battery, so matches that. So that is good. And then you have everything here that you need. So again, this is great. We have our test report here. Let's go ahead and see battery test. So this is today's results. Cranking test. All your results are here, which is nice. All right, guys, so that's basically it. Again, this is a great unit. The first I've seen that does these kind of things. So it's nice that you have the convenience of testing your own starter, your battery, your alternator, and stuff like that. All from the convenience of your home and your phone with the app. App works flawlessly. It is nice that you have everything and you can save all your results and check it every 3 months, every 6 months, whatever. See for, check for battery slowly deteriorating and things like that. Kind of keep track of everything. And if you suspect something is going wrong, then obviously take your jump box out there and just do your checking. And on top of that, you keep it in your car. Anytime something does happen, you could go ahead and jump start it and be on your way to the parts store to pick up whatever part you need. So with that being said, I'll catch everyone on the next one.